In this video, we'll explore the early life, acting career, and relationships of Gokberk Demirci. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and let's get started. Gokberk Demirci was born on 20th October 1989 in the city of Izmit, Turkey. He grew up in a modest household where his deep appreciation for art and storytelling began to take root. With strong encouragement from his family, Gokberk developed a passion for acting from a young age. The cultural richness of Izmit played a key role in shaping his artistic sensibilities, and these formative years laid the foundation for his future success in the world of television and film. Gokberk's family has been the cornerstone of his life. His father, İlhan Demirci, and mother, Sevcan Nurhan Demirci, provided unwavering support throughout his journey. The bond he shared with his younger brother, Gokberk Demirci, was profound and deeply cherished. Tragically, the loss of both his mother and brother left indelible scars on his heart. These personal losses have profoundly influenced his emotional depth, both personally and professionally. He often channels these emotions into his performances, bringing authenticity to his roles. Gokberk embarked on his acting career in 2012 with a role in Bir Zamanlar Osmanlı Kıyam. But he gained his highest peak when he acted in the series Yemin. Here are the series he is mostly well known for. Number 1. Adini Sen Koy. In the Turkish drama series Adini Sen Koy, 2016 to 2018, Gokberk Demirci and Ongi Yagez both appeared in supporting roles during the show's later seasons. Demirci portrayed the character Kiliç, while Yagez played Zeliha. The primary storyline centers on Ömer, a wealthy and emotionally reserved businessman who enters a contractual marriage with Zehra, a modest and principled young woman from a humble background. This arrangement is made to fulfill the dying wish of Ömer's terminally ill sister, Ayşe, who desires to see her brother married. Despite their initial mutual disdain and the transactional nature of their union, Ömer and Zehra find themselves navigating complex emotions and unexpected challenges. As they maintain the facade of a loving couple for Ayşe's sake, genuine feelings begin to surface, leading to a deep and transformative relationship. The series explores themes of love, sacrifice, and the blurred lines between duty and desire, captivating audiences with its compelling narrative and emotional depth. Number 2. Yemin. Yemin, The Promise, is a Turkish romantic drama that aired on Kanal 7 from February 2019 to October 2022. Reyhan, raised in a traditional setting, becomes an orphan after her mother's death. Her life takes a dramatic turn when Hikmet Tarhun, a wealthy family friend, asks her to marry his son, Emir, to ensure the family's future. Out of gratitude and respect, Reyhan agrees, despite not knowing Emir. Emir, a free-spirited and rebellious young man, resents the arranged marriage and vows to make Reyhan's life miserable, so she will seek a divorce. He is supported in this by his mother, Kavidin, who disapproves of Reyhan's humble background. Despite the hostility, Reyhan remains patient and kind, gradually softening Emir's heart. As they spend more time together, Emir begins to see Reyhan's genuine nature and starts to fall in love with her. The series delves into the complexities of human relationships, portraying the evolution of love from resentment to deep affection. Gokberk Demirci's portrayal of Emir captures the internal struggle of a man torn between duty and desire. Their chemistry is palpable, drawing audiences into their journey of self-discovery and mutual respect. Number 3. Kiz Kardes. In the Turkish drama series Kiz Kardes, three sisters, Gokberk Demirci portrays Kartal Koksal, a pivotal character introduced in Season 3. Kiz Kardes, Three Sisters, is a Turkish drama series that aired on Kanal D from 2022 to 2024, adapted from Ichlal Aydin's best-selling novel. The story revolves around three sisters, Turkan, Donish, and Derya, who share a deep bond and live with their parents, Sadiq and Nesreen, in the picturesque coastal town of Ayvalık. Their idyllic life is disrupted when Turkan's beauty attracts the attention of Sama, the son of the wealthy Korman family. Despite Sama's existing relationship with his university sweetheart, Mine, his mother Ruchan insists on him marrying Turkan to maintain the family's status. Sama reluctantly agrees, leading to a marriage that strains family dynamics and sets off a series of events that challenge the sisters' unity and resilience. The series delves into themes of love, betrayal, and the complexities of familial relationships, highlighting the emotional journeys of the three sisters as they navigate the challenges that arise from their intertwined destinies. Number 4. Yalan. In the Turkish drama series Yalan, The Family Burden, Gokberk Demirci portrayed the role of Savcı Yemin. Yamin is introduced as a determined and principled public prosecutor who becomes entangled in the complex case of Mileki, a woman wrongfully imprisoned for her husband's murder. Yalan, The Family Burden, is a Turkish drama series that aired on Kanal D in 2024. The story revolves around Mileki, a woman who was wrongfully imprisoned for her husband's murder and spent 20 years in prison. Upon her release, she discovers that her life is entangled in a web of lies. Her primary goal is to reunite with her daughter, Hajil, whom she entrusted to her sister when she was a baby. However, Mileki finds herself not only facing the challenges of reintegration into society but also uncovering deep-seated deceptions that have been woven around her and her family. The series delves into themes of justice, betrayal, and the complexities of family relationships. As Mileki uncovers the lies told to her, she realizes the extent of the manipulation and deceit that has shaped. The narrative explores the emotional turmoil of a mother trying to reconnect with her child while navigating the treacherous waters of the lies that have kept them apart. Demirci also appeared in the series Hayatimin Aşk as Adil and in Arka Sokaklar as Junit. And similarly, he acted in some movies such as Koydugunu and Dilersin Gitme. Unfortunately, both movies performed very poorly at the box office. Relationships. Gokberk Demirci first became widely known for his relationship with fellow actress Özge Yağız, whom he met on the set of the TV series Yemin. Their on-screen chemistry quickly turned into a real-life romance, and the couple soon became one of the most beloved celebrity pairs in Turkey. They were even engaged for a time, sparking speculation about an upcoming wedding. However, in 2022, the couple reportedly broke off their engagement and went their separate ways, although they continued to speak respectfully about each other in public. After a period of keeping his personal life private, Gokberk has recently been linked to Pelin Yamacı. While the couple initially avoided public statements, they have since been seen together multiple times, and in 2025, Gokberk confirmed that their relationship is going well, expressing that he is genuinely happy with Pelin. As of now, Gokberk Demirci appears to be in a stable and joyful relationship with Pelin. Thanks for watching this journey through the life and career of Gokberk Demirci. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more stories like this.